MC2 is a technology company. We started in 2003 by purchasing a branch here that was a manufacturer's rep. We've been in business since 2003. We have just merged with a company called Stark Technologies Group, January of last year, which allows us to bring more technology to our organization. MC2 is more automation, so we do building automation, which we've been doing for many, many years. We've gotten into access control, cameras, CCTV security cameras, burglar alarm systems, lighting control systems, especially with the new LED technology of lights. LED lighting has become very, very smart. So if you think of a building that has technology in it that is smart technology, anything that can think, we can connect to it and tie it all together.
This is Orlando Sanford International Airport's floor plan graphics. Through this, we can actually monitor the temperatures using these thermal graphics. So when it's in green, it lets us know that it's operating properly. If it gets too hot, it'll turn red. If it gets too cold, it'll turn blue. And then if we go into these, we can actually click on a unit. If there's a problem with them, they can click on the unit, actually go to it and see what's going on with it if it's not controlling to the right temperature.
This is our power management systems. These systems here are not necessarily part of energy management because we can't save energy based on metering. But what the metering can tell us is where our problems are and can catch it prior to happening. For an example, in a hospital, I certainly don't want an MRI to be dropping down because I lose power or I drop it or dip in the power because of the utilities. These systems here is going to tell me all our information on what's happening within a facility on the power, whether it's prior to the building or after the building within the different areas of that particular building.
This wall here is for us, it's a big part of the testing process for us to send stuff into the field. So these are our automation servers. These are the brains of our systems. And wired to these are these controllers, which control the temperatures of the room and the equipment operation. So when we program these devices, we can actually hook up these controllers, program them, and test them before we actually send them out to the field. That way we minimize bugs and rework.
Well, MC2 has about 66 employees. They're all over Central Florida, North Florida, and South Georgia. This is our corporate office here in Sanford. We'll look for electricians, electrical background, mechanical background, mechanics, HVAC mechanics that work on HVAC equipment. We'll look for, one person we have here is a web designer who does pretty pictures on the to make our systems look better, easier to use. We look for computer programmers. All of them need to be cross-trained in HVAC, in electrical, in automation, and basically processes within a facility. And we think our customer service is second to none. We always put ourselves in the customer's seat. So if I was in an operating room, I'd certainly want somebody to respond really quickly if the room's getting hot. Or if I'm in a classroom and I'm taking tests, I don't want my children to be hot and not be able to focus on what they're trying to learn. So customer service is my number one thing.
For more information on Seminole County economic development, visit businessinseminole.com. And for more information on MC2, visit mc2inc.net.